overboard now. I want you to.
Hey y'all. So as y'all could tell from the description, the title of this video, I will be doing a lace wig unboxing. The brand I purchased was from Luvme Hair, and I'm not going to do the try on in this video. This is just going to be the unboxing of it, and then once I get myself together to put it on and everything, I'll put it on. So it comes in, I guess they ship DHL. So make sure that was it. In here. The unit that I purchased was the Deep Wave. I believe I got the 22-inch Deep Wave. So it comes with this wig stand. I've never even used one of these before, so I have no clue. But I'll figure it out. But it comes with a wig stand. And this is what the box looks like. So that's pretty cool. And I've been seeing, you know, their like promo videos and posts like all over social media. And I just so happen to go under one. But let me just show y'all what comes in the box. So when you open it, they have this little case which it has some items in there. I'll open that. The wig itself comes in this cute little purple bag. They also give you a tan wig cap, which is great. And then they give you a little like brochure. I know some people, I think it depends on like the wig and how much you spend for the wig. Some people were saying that they were getting like flat irons and stuff like that. So I paid $188 for my unit, and I got the 22-inch Deep Wave. So this is what the unit looks like. Okay, feels nice. And I have my color in 1B, so it's the natural hair color. So far so good, y'all. It looks nice. And what I'll do is I'll probably end up straightening mine. Because I don't like this, you know, this curl to just wear it like that. I believe it said that the unit was like pre-plucked and the knots were bleached. But I won't really know how it's going to look until I actually try the unit on. But this is what it looks like. You can see the color a little bit from, you know, like the little light brown in there. The lighting isn't the best. I was trying to use natural lighting, but it's cloudy today. So, but yeah, so that's the unit itself. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the bag because like I said, I'm going to do a separate video where I actually put the unit on, but because I'm not ready to go out yet, I'm not going to do that just yet. But I will be going out later today, so I'll probably as far as shedding goes, there's a few little pieces of hair here, but we'll see how that goes. They gave me a rat tail comb, a hair clip, the elastic band, which will definitely come in handy, so I'm gonna sew that on, a few bobby pins, some tweezers to pluck the hair, and another hair clip, and then of course a cute little bag that you can use for makeup or hair stuff or whatever. So that's cool. That was nice. And I believe if you order like a certain amount, if your order is like a certain amount, then you get like higher price items like the flat iron and all that. So, but like I said, I paid $188, and oh, that wasn't in there. I used the code. I think it was, I don't even know the code that I used, but you know how they have the option where you can like spin the wheel and get a code or whatever. So I did that, and it ended up being more off than what they were offering on the post at that time. So I just went with that. And then when I went to the beauty supply store, I got the Got2b glue bonding spray, the black bottle of the gel, and then this like little toothbrush looking brush for my edges, my baby hair when I do those. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick those in here. But yeah, as far as the way it feels, so far so good. The net looks sturdy. So we're gonna give this thing a shot, and when I go to put the wig on, I will be back on to let you guys see how it looks.